Thank you for joining me today. My name is Holly Christiansen, and we're going to take a look at how to vamp up our website within the DeltaNet. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to log into the DeltaNet, and you're going to land more than likely here on your profile page when you log in. Then you're going to go to Build, and you're going to go to Site Design. If for some reason your interface is different and you don't see Build, you can always type Site Design in the top search bar, and that will also take us to that page in the navigation. From the Site Design tab, you're going to be able to choose the theme for your website. So you can sort through the different options here and find one that's going to fit your look, your personality, and the style that you're going for your website. Once you've found a design that you think you like, you can click on that theme to see the details. You can see what this theme features, and you can see if there's features that aren't going to automatically appear. You'll see here with this exclamation point that the items marked are featured in the theme, but they've not been set up in your account. So this is an option in the theme, but if you don't see it right away, not to fear, it just needs to be set up. When you see that information and you choose whether or not you like it, you can then preview what your information would look like inside of this theme. So you take a look, and if you like things, you're going to set it live. If you don't, you're just going to go back and you're going to look for another option that maybe would fit your personality a little better. So let's say this one, for example. Once again, you have theme features that are different, and there's ones that might not be set up yet, but they are an option to add to this theme in the future. So then you can preview. And if you like what you see this time, you can set live to have your website choose that theme. Once you've set this theme live, you can then edit this theme up here at the paintbrush symbol to get some additional customization to your website. At any time while editing the features here on the edit page, you can click on this little globe to pop open your website and see how those changes might be affecting it. So for example, we could change this primary color. I'm partial to a teal. You can also change your secondary color and the name span color. And you can also change verbiage and add different details to different sections within the site. Playing around with these options is a good way to see what they do. And then theme content, for example, this is showing you the order in which the sections go on your site. So if you want testimonials to appear above listings, you'll just change the order here in this list. You can also change your header name, change the property search name title, change your welcome information, and that's just here within the first custom theme settings. Then you have link blocks. These are the links on your site, so your featured links, contact me, the URL that it sends to, list with me, the URL it sends to. Let me give an example here. So list with me, that's this section right here. So you can, from within the DeltaNet, link block 1, change the title to reviews page, change the title to open houses, and then as long as you change the URL to fit, and you can also change the description, then you've changed what this box is leading to. So if you don't like the automatic areas that are selected in this theme, you can customize these with anything you might want to add as a link. You can also change the image for that section as well. So if you don't like it being kind of a pool background for this list with me, you can change it to a different image by uploading an image here as well. Same thing with the rest of these blocks, and I will show you an example. So for neighborhood guides, I'm going to change this to say open houses, and I'm going to change it to say contact me to view current open houses. And then if I save this information and I come to my website and I clear my cache, I'm going to see my nice new teal color is there. And this area has now been named open houses. And as long as I remember to change this link to whatever my open house link will be, that will lead then to the open house page. So for example, under buyers, I already have an open house page as an option. If I click that, I can see that the link here is results and some other text. If I add that then as the link right here under open houses, that is now going to take me directly to my open house page. And I'll show you as an example. Open houses takes me to the open house search results. Of course, there is no search results because this is just a demo site, but that's how you would link the correct page here. The next section here is for featured listings, so you can change the titles and the verbiage in your featured listings section. The next section is for your testimonials. Same thing, you can change the words, the intro for your testimonial section and change some of the details there. You can override the image, and you can also change the link if you'd rather direct it to a different page. More on creating custom pages here in just a moment. Then you can see your footer. The title of the footer you can change, the color of the footer you can change, and some additional features that you can turn on or off in regards to the footer. Then the custom background, you can change your background to be custom to you if you would like to. There's images that are in the system, and you can also select images to upload. So if the background images here don't suit the needs for your market, you can change them to match. You also can change your header image and your logo that is appearing on your site, as well as your footer logo on your site. And you can change some of the meta tags if you have some that you'd like to add to your personal website. All of these customizations are going to be different per theme, but you can come into that edit button with the little paintbrush to see what you can customize on the theme that you've selected.